Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Home Garage. I haven't done a little update video on the Mercedes in a while, and I was looking forward to accelerating up this long exit ramp onto the interstate with the air conditioner on. So I thought, hey, what a good time to film a good naturally aspirated car trying to struggle up a hill to go on the interstate. Let's see how she does. Long uphill. Started out 3 lanes, twiddling down. Oh, big trucks coming. What's our speed? Oh, we finally hit 60. Coming along 70. There we go. There we go. You know, this car, to be, I mean, it's a little underpowered, but I mean, and then it just runs away. So it's a little underpowered, but it's really not bad. It's totally manageable. Long hill upgrades like that, you just got to know how to drive the car. You know, like my wife, I was going to swap out cars with her because I want to compound and polish her Saab, and I was going to let her borrow the Mercedes, but I was like, listen, you got to know how to drive this thing. You know, you've got to work the accelerator and know the shift points of the transmission, and you know, so you don't get yourself killed. But the car, actually, I started driving a little more light throttled when red lights turn to green. I started just easing on the throttle instead of, you know, kind of pushing it, and the car just gathers speed very easily on level and flat surfaces. So 134 horsepower and 100 and I think it's 77, something like that, pound-feet of torque. Gets, you know, it does pretty good by this car. It really does. And on the interstate, I mean, she's just a dreamboat. I've got a little bit of a, you can probably hear it, noisy air conditioner blower. The fan is starting to sound like a bearing or something is going bad. So I'm expecting the blower to just quit on my ass right here, right as summer's hitting. But yeah, I mean, I'm not even trying. But you know, you guys have seen this. I've showed videos of it. On the interstate, just flying right along. The cockroach problem, I believe I have gotten to the bottom of that. I collected about 7 or 8 cockroaches in the little roach motels, and then I put out something a little more deadly in the trunk and here in the front, under the front seat, and all so far so good. I haven't seen any more. I think they came from an old golf bag that I had dug out of storage the last time I went up to visit my kids. I think they may have been inside that golf bag. So I removed the golf bag from my car and put it somewhere else outside. And so far, I haven't seen any more roaches, but you know, I haven't been leaving any ice cream cups in here either. So I guess that would be the true testament, is to go get a Blizzard or an ice cream from Chick-fil-A and leave the cup in the car and see if anything shows up. But anyway, hope y'all are taking care and having a good day, and just appreciate all the support. Hope y'all enjoyed the 600,000 mile truck yesterday. Holy cow, that thing. It still just blows my mind. But Y'all have a good one. Like, subscribe, comment. I read all the comments, believe me. I don't have enough subscribers not to. So y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later on. Take care. Peace.